very excited this morning, and I welcome you to Sasa Pay 2.0 unveiling. It is the day that we have been waiting for, and it is the day that we actually set the trend of the next level of where we want Sasa Pay to be. A happy customer is very important for everybody. Everybody in the economy, from the government, the taxman, from the biacaras that are open, we are all waiting for that single shilling that is in the customer's pocket. And we believe through our products, we can derive much more from it. Customer centricity is going to be a very big pillar of what we are going to be unveiling today in the next 2.0. Our consumer is now able to do much more when they download the mobile wallet of Sasa Pay. Through WapiPay, who are regulated by central bank just like us, we shall be allowing our customers to actually open a USD wallet. Our customers will be able to actually do things like standing orders on the mobile. Load your wallet, set standing orders, and you no longer have to think about that NHIF payment again. You shall no longer need to think about that rent again. You shall no longer need to think about all those nagging payments that happen all the time. Our mobile wallet shall enable you to do that.